going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. You know, one of the things as a plumber is that we need to protect the health of a nation. And in this service call, I am so proud of my team, my family. Quick little summary, we are dispatched out to this home in Douglaston, New York. Customer has a Raypak natural gas pool heater that has ignition failure. It's a brand new heater. We're being dispatched as the service provider on behalf of Raypak. Let's just say that we saved every single person's life who resides in this home. What you're about to watch is not fictional. It is not made up. It is real life scenario. Ladies and gentlemen, there are no words that describe this pool heater that, let's just say, was criminally installed.
We are providing a service through Raypak. So we're the service provider for the actual manufacturer of the unit.
But what I purchased this unit, they told me it's a direct vent, you don't need a vent.
Direct vent means it
Because I
needs to
even
vent.
ordered that thingy that goes from that vent. But I mean,
Model and serial
I
number.
understand what you're saying, but at the
No
same time,
venting.
if it doesn't ignite, that has nothing to do with the venting.
Indoors.
In about 12 miles, keep right onto Veterans Memorial Highway.
Hello?
Hi, yeah, this is Shad. You just stopped by at my house in Bayside
Yes.
for the pool heater?
Yes.
Did you call 911?
I did inform the fire department of the hazardous condition.
But why would you do that? Your job is to come here to take a look at the heater and then let me know what needs to be done.
Because as
you came to my personal property and then you go outside and you call 911?
because as a plumber, we are responsible for the safety of the occupants of the home.
Safety of the occupants. The pool is not even working. Everything is shut down.
And
We're in the process of working on it to fix it.
okay,
Did you see the pool running? Did you see the heater running? Did you see any of the equipment running in there?
my responsibility is to make sure that it cannot be running.
Your responsibility is not to bother other people. Your job is to come here, inspect, and let me know if you can fix it or what needs to be done. Your responsibility is not to come to my house and call 911 on my own house.
Okay.
I'm going to talk to, your office is closed. They called your office, but I'm going to sue you guys. This is unacceptable, dude.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Okay.
So I'm going to talk to whoever your boss is, Mike or whoever, and I'm going to file a lawsuit for this.
Okay.
So, ladies and gentlemen, during this service call, we called Raypak. We took video and pictures of this horrific and deadly installation. Homeowner basically threw out our technician out of the home, and following company procedures and following company protocol, we not only called the New York City Department of Buildings, we also called the Fire Department of New York and the NYPD, who, believe it or not, promptly took corrective action and went to this house. Ladies and gentlemen, if you need a plumber that's going to keep it real and tell it like it is and do a professional and safe job, please make sure you properly do your due diligence and don't allow what just transpired. And I have a very, very gut feeling from the bottom of my heart that the homeowner knew exactly what was going on here. If you're in the Long Island, New York metropolitan area, you need a licensed master plumber and HVAC contractor, I hope you call Pipe Doctor Home Services, 516-348-6400. Or if you're in Central Florida, Orlando, you can reach me at 407-375-1100. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let this be a reality check to the hacks out there that I do make fun and say frequently, hacks bring me stacks, but when you put people's lives in danger, right? Like this homeowner doesn't even care. Obviously, he's putting money over the health of the people inside this house. I'm pissed. Have a great day. Enjoy. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Remember, hug your kids.